Sharifa just nailed it, and welcome to my channel. Today we are back with day 11, December 11th on Charlie's Advent Calendar. I'm going to turn it sideways. We are going to pull out our envelope together and see what goodies Charlie has in store for us today. So far I've been very pleased, some I've been very surprised on. Oh, this is so pretty. We have us a nice, beautiful forest green. That's what it's called, forest green. Look how beautiful this is. This is perfect for Christmas. Perfect. So we have got a nail here off to the side. I'm gonna take my little buffer. I'm gonna buff the shine off the nail real quick. This is like a habit of mine. Get your brush and duster off. We're gonna put a base coat on the foundation by Charlie's Nail Art. We will also be using the glue gel by Sheen Modern to adhere the glitter onto the nail. But first I am going to be painting it green. I'm going to pop this in the lamp for a cure. And I'm going to get out hopefully my green polish. This is by Diva in a Bottle. This is a beautiful green for Christmas. And this is number 650. Let me show it to you again. It's a beautiful, beautiful green. So we'll be painting the nail this color. This is a beautiful color. I so love it. It is perfect for this time of the year. The one thing I like about gels is they self-level. And sometimes we need that little bit of extra help. So I'm going to let that sit there and self-level for just a minute. I got an itch. My leg itches. See how beautiful this is? A nice glossy green color. So we're going to pop that in the lamp. Give that a cure. We're going to open up our glitter mix. This is the forest green and this is, I think it says 5 grams. 5 grams. So we're going to open this up. Oops. Keep that for further reference. We will be pouring this over the nail, giving this beautiful green glittery mix. Let's see if I got any bling. I got a couple I could use over here off to the side. We're gonna need that. Get yourself out a tissue, a paper towel, lid-free wipe, because when you're top coating the glitter, here's the glue gel. You don't want your glitter getting in your top coat. Apply this very well to the nail. Don't leave nothing uncovered. I believe this is an oval nail, which I don't really particularly care for. A lot of women like this shape. I do not. I'm a square kind of chick. It's just the shape I like. On myself, I love a square. To work with, I do love a square, scrollable, stiletto, coffin, ballerina, I guess. They give you some area to work with. So check out Diva in a Bottle for, this is her winter collection in green. And again, that was number 650. She has, Princess Nails by Diana has her own website now, which you can check out. It's divainabottle.com. Check her out. I don't have a code. I think Nailed by Nikki and Tammy maybe has a code. I'm not really certain. But check out their YouTube channels or their Instagrams for, see if they have a code. Even check out Princess Nails by Diana. She may have a code for you for her own polish. So we shall see. We shall see. Okay, this is done on the lamp. I'm going to start pouring at the base of our nail and work our way up. I'm pouring a little heavy here. You don't need all this glitter. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That is just gorgeous. Now, as you all know, I don't brush my nails off. Put that back in the lamp. Give it a little bit of a cure. And it helps it adhere better into the glue. I do brush this off though. The last of the remnants out of the dish. And put my dish away. So we're going to be top coating. I am going to grab for a different top coat that I haven't used in a while. We're going to be using the No Wipe Top Coat by Diva in a Bottle, Princess Nails by Diana. I have not used this in a while, and it is my all-time favorite top coat. I love, love, love a thick, glossy top coat. So we're going to be using this. So check out Princess Nails by Diana. Check out Diva in a Bottle. Check them out. Check them out. Check them out. So let me pull this out of the lamp. Let me shut her off. Somebody shut off. Have your lint-free wipe next to you. Get you a nice bead. Even when you wipe after my method, the way I do it, there's no glitter on the polish on the wand here. I am going to be putting 2 coats of top coat on though. I want this nice and glossy, like you could skate across it. Plus I like to make sure it is a smooth surface. I know it is a fine glitter mix, but I like to, I don't know, it's just what I do. You don't have to, you can do whatever you want to do. It's just what I do. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, and I would appreciate your presence. You get this beautiful, beautiful nail. Great glitter polish. Great for Christmas time. We're going to go back in with another top coat. Look how beautiful that is. Let me put this cap on real tight. Look how beautiful that is. So I do have a few little gems over here off to the side. want to straighten these babies up. Whoops. Whoopsie. There we go. That does not look straight, does it? I pop this in the lamp before they decide to move on me. Let me give this a full cure. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back out of the lamp, the cooker, the oven. We have finished our little nail. Again, this is with Forest Green, the glitter nail art by Charlie. How beautiful that looks. Just in time for Christmas. Let me comment down below with your thoughts. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out beautiful, I really do. Stay tuned tomorrow for our next day of Charlie's nail art. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.